Good Monday morning, folks. I'm News 18 meteorologist Cam Hoppin with today's edition of your weather vlog. Today is looking much more dreary after one of the nicest days we've seen in some time. 71 degrees yesterday, mainly sunny skies. My first sunburn of the season. I don't know if you've noticed this, but I'm a little fair-skinned. I burn very easily. I was outdoors for about 2.5 hours yesterday, and I got a little roasted on the arms. The good news is that lots of cloud cover and plenty of rainfall will be keeping me indoors and hopefully everyone else indoors over the next few days. We are looking at the warm front. Yesterday, still driving off to the northeast. That's what helped boost temperatures so high yesterday afternoon. Now, with warm fronts normally come cold fronts, and that's going to be the case today. That's why we're seeing the more dreary, the cloud cover, all those dreary conditions out there. So this cold front's going to be moving eastward throughout the remainder of the day, just lingering off to the west of us for the majority of our day. We could see some isolated rain showers, and as of about 9:45, temperatures are sitting right around 60 degrees here at the station. So it's a mild start to the day, to say the least, and temperatures only dipped as low as about the mid to upper 50s across the viewing area last night, early this morning. Now, we do have a few isolated showers. Rain is lingering just off to the west of us across southwestern Illinois. That's all driving eastward, northeastward, and we could be catching some light showers here during the late morning, early afternoon hours, maybe some pop-up showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon, but it looks like the best chance for some sustained rainfall will hold off until this evening. Long after we hit our high temperature of 68 degrees later this afternoon, we're looking at scattered showers, maybe even a couple thunderstorms beginning after dinner, likely right around 9 p.m., and that's going to continue throughout the evening, the overnight hours, into tomorrow morning. Now, don't get excited thinking the rain's, hey, it's gone, it's off to our east. This rain chance, or these rain chances, I should say, will be sticking around through the rest of your work week, even through Friday, maybe even Friday night as well. Now, what we're looking at is this cold front slowly moving eastward. It's going to bring that chance of some light showers during the early afternoon, maybe 2 to 3 p.m. Looks like a good timetable for that, but don't hold me to that, because this is going to be a very scattered, unorganized front during the afternoon. More of a pop-up showers and thunderstorm situation than a very organized front. That will hold off until later on in the evening when we're looking at more of an organized line of showers and thunderstorms lining up from all the way from Lake Michigan down towards St. Louis and then finally kicking eastward. Now, with this cold front passing to our east, we are going to be seeing some temperatures cool off quite a bit. I mentioned the overnight lows this morning, dipping as low as the mid to upper 50s. Overnight tonight, we're talking about the mid to upper 40s across the viewing area. 47 with scattered showers and thunderstorms overnight tonight. Tomorrow, we stay slightly below average, about a degree below average, 62. Your high temperature for Tuesday. More chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms. Now, with that front sagging just off to our southeast, we have plenty of cool air and cool northerly winds pushing down from the north, warm, moist air pushing in from the south. That's actually creating what we call a stationary front. So this front actually sits and doesn't really move a whole lot. It sits still, and that's why we call it stationary, and that's actually going to stall out right over the viewing area tomorrow. So scattered showers and thunderstorms, once again, mainly pop-up showers right around that frontal boundary, which will be lingering right over the viewing area tomorrow. So that'll be your Tuesday. By Wednesday, we'll finally see those southerly winds win out and push northward. That brings a warm front across the region, some warmer temperatures. We're back up to 72 on Wednesday, but more scattered showers and thunderstorms as a result of the passing warm front. Now, I mentioned again, with warm fronts come cold fronts, and that is exactly what's going to be happening on Thursday. And actually, Thursday will be the focus of this forecast, mainly because with that passing cold front moving through a very warm, moist region, which we will be with temperatures sitting in the 70s, high moisture content from those southerly winds. That cold front's going to be interacting with all that moisture, that creates that convective activity, that uplifting atmosphere that we've been talking about over the last week or so, that is perfect for thunderstorm development. When you have that, and you pair that with a strong upper level jet like we will have on Thursday, you get a situation very similar to like we saw on Thursday and Friday, with those with the high upper atmospheric jet pulling more moisture up into the upper atmosphere. You had the convective activity acting as well. Severe thunderstorms, very possible. Isolated tornadoes, also pretty possible with Thursday. The main threats, though, from the storm will be likely very strong wind gusts in excess of 60 miles per hour, golf ball-sized hail, maybe larger than that as well. What will be happening is we're going to have that cold front pass through the viewing area. That low pressure system is going to kick to the northeast, pull that cold front across our viewing area, and we're going to see a nice line of strong thunderstorms line up ahead of that cold front. That's going to kick eastward through the viewing area during the afternoon and evening hours on Thursday. That's if those current timetables hold, and that's when you're going to see those with large thunderstorms, very large hail, especially the strong winds, but we could also see some rotation in these storms as well. So this is something we are going to continue to monitor in the coming days. Certainly want to get a better idea of a time of this, but as of right now, let's keep it to Thursday afternoon and evening will be our best chances for some severe weather. Now, once Friday rolls around, that low pressure system kicks off to our northeast. The cold front's off to our east as well. Temperatures will fall from 72 Thursday afternoon to 48 on Friday. Yes, 48. We drop below the 50-degree mark Friday afternoon. Scattered rain showers as some wraparound precipitation pull some moisture in from Lake Michigan. That low will be pretty strong as well, so we could actually see some non-lake aided precipitation as well on Friday. The good news is that low kicks off to the east. High pressure fills its spot. That's going to clear things out for Saturday. Now, temperatures will be slightly warmer because we're going to be seeing some sunshine, but we only warm up to around 51 degrees come this Saturday. But finally, that high kicks to our east, creates a more southerly wind flow across the viewing area, and by Sunday, we are looking at highs back into the upper 50s, 58 degrees, your high temperature on Sunday afternoon. But once again, folks, main focus of this forecast, all the rain. I didn't even mention how much rain we are expecting. We could be dealing with anywhere between an additional 3 to 5 inches of rain throughout the next 5 days. That is a ton of rainfall, and that could create some significant flooding. So once again, this is something we are going to keep our eyes on here. Chad and I certainly keeping our eyes on what's exactly happening over the next few days here, and we will keep you up to date on all these situations and those two low pressure systems that are going to be bringing all of that rain across the viewing area. But that's pretty much all I wanted to hit on today, folks. If you have any questions about this forecast, feel free to email Chad, Jesse, and I at weatherteam18@WLFI.com. My personal email address, Cameron.Hotman@WLFI.com, and you can always follow us on Twitter as well at weatherteam18. Until tomorrow, folks, I'm News 18 meteorologist Cam Hotman, signing off.